Challenges and risks with AI. Artificial intelligence is a powerful tool that can be used to greatly benefit the world. However, like any tool, it must be used responsibly. The following table shows some of the potential challenges and risks facing an AI application developer. Challenge or risk. Example. Bias can affect results. A loan approval model discriminates by gender due to bias in the data with which it was trained. Errors may cause harm. An autonomous vehicle experiences a system failure and causes a collision. Data could be exposed. A medical diagnostic bot is trained using sensitive patient data, which is stored insecurely. Solutions may not work for everyone. A home automation assistant provides no audio output for visually impaired users. Users must trust a complex system. An AI-based financial tool makes investment recommendations. What are they based on? Who's liable for AI-driven decisions? An innocent person is convicted of a crime based on evidence from facial recognition. Who's responsible? Understand responsible AI. At Microsoft, AI software development is guided by a set of 6 principles designed to ensure that AI applications provide amazing solutions to difficult problems without any unintended negative consequences. Fairness, reliability and safety, privacy and security, inclusiveness, transparency, accountability. Fairness. AI systems should treat all people fairly. For example, suppose you create a machine learning model to support a loan approval application for a bank. The model should predict whether the loan should be approved or denied without bias. This bias could be based on gender, ethnicity, or other factors that result in an unfair advantage or disadvantage to specific groups of applicants. Azure machine learning includes the capability to interpret models and quantify the extent to which each feature of the data influences the model's prediction. This capability helps data scientists and developers identify and mitigate bias in the model. Another example is Microsoft's implementation of responsible AI with the Face service, which retires facial recognition capabilities that can be used to try to infer emotional states and identity attributes. These capabilities, if misused, can subject people to stereotyping, discrimination, or unfair denial of services. For more details about considerations for fairness, watch the following video.
So right now, we do live in a society that is unfair and biased in many different ways. And I think the whole point of focusing on fairness in AI systems is to make sure that the systems that we develop and we deploy reduce unfairness in our society rather than keep things at the same level or even make it worse. And for me, that's really the goal. We've seen a lot of news stories over the past couple of years about AI systems that are used to allocate or withhold opportunities, resources, or information in domains like criminal justice, employment and hiring, finance, credit. AI systems can reinforce existing societal stereotypes. Another example would be cultural denigration. We also have over and under representation. There isn't a single definition that we can easily quantify and just integrate into our systems. Fairness relates to not just the system, the technical component, but it relates to the societal context in which the system is deployed. And that means that fairness, in the context of AI systems, is a fundamentally socio-technical challenge. This means that we've got to have a greater diversity of people developing and deploying AI systems. And what we see is that the assumptions and decisions made by teams at every stage of the AI development and deployment lifecycle can introduce biases. And that's why this is such an important topic. This isn't something that we can just sort of delegate to 1 or 2 people and call it quits and move on. No, this is something that everybody has to be thinking about really actively.